everything on my vision board last year came true, and in this video I will show you all exactly how you can also make a vision board that works while I make my vision board for the new year. I am super duper excited to set some really scary goals that may seem unachievable right now. So did a lot of stuff that I put on this vision board, but it actually came true. So before I start actually making the vision board, I will walk you all through my previous vision board. Actually, there was this other vision board as well which I made like later on in the year, because I felt that I did not add enough goals on the previous vision board. So that's why I just made another one. But yeah, guys, oh my god, I can't even believe like some of these things when I put them on my vision board last year. I was super scared and I was like, how is this actually going to happen to me? But it did. And first of all, I will tell you all everything that literally came true. So yeah, let's start. And if you're new here, hey guys, I am Ashika and I'm a CBSE 10th grader, and this is my Instagram account. So do follow me if you haven't already, because I upload exclusive content over there. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So these are my old vision boards, and oh my god, guys, let me just walk you all through them. So first of all, there is this picture of a guitar because I wanted to learn to play a guitar. And I actually did go to guitar classes like in the beginning of the year, but वो अलग बात है, थोड़े टाइम बाद मेरे गिटार वाले सर ही आना बंद कर दिए थे. But उसके बाद भी I tried to learn from YouTube, but I couldn't. But the main thing is now I have a guitar at my house. I also have a ukulele at my house, and I can learn. Then there is a picture of this YouTube AdSense envelope. So that basically means that I want to monetize my channel, and now my channel is monetized, and it has been monetized ever since my birthday this year. So that is also something which I did not think would happen, but it did, and now it's actually growing really well thanks to all of you. Then there is this little picture of a sleepover because I wanted to have one with my friends, but I never thought that my mom would let me go to one. And I did actually go on 2 sleepovers this year, and I want to do और भी ज़्यादा अगले साल because they are literally so fun and I love spending time with my friends. It's literally like my favorite time. And yeah, I did not think I would ever get permission for that, but I did. And then I went on 2 sleepovers and it was a blast. Also, guys, there is this picture of an iPhone. This was like one of my materialistic goals, and I did not think it would come true at all. My old phone literally sucked. Okay, it was Samsung S20 FE. उसमें कुछ भी नहीं था ढंग का. Camera quality बहुत बेकार थी. I had to film मेरी मम्मी के phone से. But now that the year is ending, I just got a new iPhone. And जो मैंने अपने vision board में लगाया है ना, उससे भी better iPhone मिला है मुझे, which I did not expect in my wildest of dreams. So this is my new phone. It is an iPhone 15 Pro, and the camera is literally so nice. Like, I love the camera quality and everything. I love iOS ka UI and everything. Like, I am super super grateful. But the point is, it came true. I put it on my vision board thinking ki this is like something beyond my wildest of dreams, but it literally came true. And this is not it, guys. There is a lot more stuff. Okay, let me just show you. So यहाँ पर I have this picture MUN का. It was supposed to represent me doing MUNs and like winning. And यहाँ पर तुम लोग देख सकते हो, this is high commendation from BBI MUN, and this is the best delegate wala trophy from the 2 MUNs that I did this year. Then that there was this 100K ka plaque which did not come true, but we did hit like 50,000 subscribers this year, and I hope ki before the end of next year we hit 100,000 subscribers. And there was also this really faint picture of an airplane window. The airplane window was supposed to represent me sitting in an airplane, because the last time I did, I went to Goa. Usse pehle bhi I went to Goa. So I wanted to go somewhere other than Goa. And oh my god, we went to Singapore. I took my first international trip. Here are clips from the trip. I did not, in my wildest of dreams, oh my god, I'm like saying this itni zyada baar, but it's literally true, because I did not imagine that we would go on an international trip. Like, जो मेरा सबसे like अच्छा इमेजिनेशन था, दैट वाज कि हम इंडिया में कहीं जाएंगे, लाइक मे बी टू केरला, मे बी टू अंडमान समथिंग, बट वी वेंट टू सिंगापुर. इट वाज लिटरली द बेस्ट ट्रिप ऑफ माय लाइफ. इट वाज सो रिलैक्सिंग, सो फन, एंड इट वाज लिटरली द हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस ईयर. एंड या, आई पुट इट ऑन माय विजन बोर्ड, एंड उससे भी ज्यादा बेटर चीजें हो गई मेरे साथ. आई एम सुपर सुपर ग्रेटफुल. Other than that, there is this picture of straight A's and बाकी like full marks and everything. Like academics के लिए भी काफी सारी images हैं मेरे vision board पे. and I literally did get like straight A's almost her exam में, so that also came true. And बाकी सारी चीजें are like something which I want to resemble in my lifestyle, like eating healthy, doing my skincare regularly and everything. मतलब not very materialistic, जिनको मैं तुम्हें भी proof करके दिखा सकती हूँ कि all of that has happened in my life. But the point is, so many things that I did not think would happen to me did happen to me, probably because I put them on my vision board and I was silently manifesting them and working towards them, like pushing my parents to take an international trip. That's something that was on my vision board and it came true. Anyways, so I'll show you how you can also make a vision board that works step by step. And it's very, very important that you believe in your vision board, because even if you don't believe in your dreams, they're not going to come true. Like, if you want to manifest something, you need to believe in it. Okay, अब हम इसके बारे में आगे और बात करेंगे, but yeah, that was the first thing which I had to tell you all. Guys, before you open Pinterest or Canva to look for vision board inspirations or to search up vision board pictures, you need to stop and listen to this. Your vision board is not to impress anybody, it's not there to look aesthetic in your room, and it's not there to follow trends. It's there so that you get a direction of where to work towards, is so that you get a silent motivation every single day that if I do not start working right now, my life will never look like that. And that is why we need our vision boards to be extremely personalized. And uska first step ye hai ki you write down your goals in extreme detail. Okay, and I have already done this on my laptop. So over here on my notes app, I have made like list of goals that I want to achieve this year. I won't really show you all my goals like essay because they are very personal to me. But yeah, I have made pura list of goals. And see, it's very important that your goals fall into these particular categories, because then you can like अपने विजन बोर्ड में तुम अलग अलग कैटेगरीज लाइक रख सकते हो, एंड दैट वे योर विजन बोर्ड इज गोइंग टू बी और ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. एंड इट्स लिटरली अ वे ऑफ यू टू organize your goals जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में बस है कि I want to achieve all of this, but when you're like looking at your vision board, it should like tell a story, like okay, all of this I want to achieve in my work life, my personal life, and my habits and the materialistic things, like all of that. It should be like तुम्हारे brain में एक story play हो when you look at your vision board. It should not just be बिल्कुल like blank, uninspiring. So yeah, let me tell you how to do that. See, now first of all, your vision board is not for inspiring anybody. When you make a vision board, you need to ask yourself these questions. What do I want my life to look this year? What are the major goals that I need to achieve? By major goals, it's something which is like big, like really big, that it even scares you, right? So you need to think of all of these things before you actually make your vision board. You need to answer these questions: how I want to feel at by the end of this year, how I want my life, how I want my daily life to look this year, and what bad habits do I not want to take into the next year, which I carried on in this previous year, which actually damaged my ideal self. Right, so all of these things you need to answer before you actually start making your vision board. You can get a journal and write down your answers, or you can just write them down in your notes app. But it's very important तुम ये थोड़े से shadow journal वाले questions को answer करो, ताकि तुम्हें एक clarity मिल सके तुम्हें अपनी life किस डायरेक्शन में लेके जानी है. Now let me tell you the categories in which I personally divide my goals. So the first category is the work category, which is everything related to YouTube and like social media. The next category is academics wali category, which is like my most important category. That's something I focus on the most every single year. Like that category is matlab mera pura major thing. Next, I have this new category, which is a materialistic category, because the one materialistic thing I put last wale vision board pe literally came true, which is manifesting an iPhone. So I want to manifest more things because I'm a girl and I like expensive stuff. So yeah, there is a materialistic category. Then there is a self improvement category, which is there on every हर साल का विजन बोर्ड मेरा. Okay, then there is an appearance category, and I know appearances don't matter that much, but it's really important for me to look put together, and for me to feel good about myself, I need to look good. I need some things fixed about myself, which might be toxic for some of you all, but yeah, it's just a category in my vision board because that is just something that I admire. As I said, vision board needs to be extremely personal. So तुम अपनी categories खुद define कर सकते हो by looking at your goals, like जो तुम्हारे goals है, then उनको तुम देखो एंड देन जस्ट लाइक टाइटल द कैटेगरीज एंड उसके बाद यू कैन जस्ट put your goals in those categories. Or if you're writing down your goals on your notes app, just copy all of that, put it into chat gpt, ask it to divide them into 4 or 5 categories and just organize them. So तुम्हें खुद काम करना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, it will literally do the work for you. Okay, so yeah, now that I have written my goals, you can we can do the next step. And guys, I ask you all to write down one goal that you would like to achieve this year, and जब ये साल खत्म हो जाएगा, you can come back to this video and actually see if you have achieved that goal or not. कोई एक तो goal होगा ही सबका which they would like to achieve. So yeah, now let's move on to the next step. Now the next step is to actually get the pictures that inspire you, the pictures that you can relate with, and make sure that तुम ऐसे pictures pick करो जिसमें तुम अपने आप को देख सकते हो. Like if it's a goal where like you want really good marks in boards, you can literally photoshop एक boards की mark sheet with your name on it and with your desired marks on it. And that's what I'm going to do, because I really want to manifest getting like 99% in board exams, which is literally a very, very scary goal. But I know that I can do it if I believe in it hard enough. So yeah, and I use Pinterest to look for my images, and मैंने like ये काम already कर लिया है काफी हद तक. एंड तुम लोग भी Pinterest यूज कर सकते हो. जस्ट सर्च अप जो तुम्हारा गोल है, उसके बाद यू कैन राइट इंस्पिरेशन एंड फाइंड पिक्चर्स जिसमें यू कैन सी योर सेल्फ लिविंग दैट गोल. ओके, डोंट जस्ट पिक एनी रैंडम इमेज दैट you think is aesthetically appealing. It should be emotionally like relatable to you, because your vision board needs to be very, very personalized, as I said in the beginning of this video. And मैंने ये काम like already कर लिया है. Like I have the pictures that I want to put into my vision board. And see, you can also make a physical vision board or a digital vision board. Last year I made, where did it go? Okay, I just kept it there. Last year I made a physical vision board and it worked out wonders for me. But this year I want to do both. I want to make a physical vision board as well and a digital one. In this video, I'll be making a physical vision board. Let me know if you want another video about how I make my digital vision board, because I can make that for you all. So yeah, now सबसे पहले तुम अपनी जाके pictures लाओ, put them in a Pinterest board or anything. I personally like to copy paste them into Canva so that यहाँ से I can easily print them out. मेरे घर पर printer है. If you don't have a printer, you can get them printed from Blinkit, या फिर तुम अपने पास के किसी printer वाले भैया के पास जाके वहाँ से print out निकलवा सकते हो. It's not that expensive to get a printout, but the having that thing in front of you all the time is going to do you wonders. I spend most of my time in my room. That's why I have my vision board in my room. Usse bhi zyada I spend most of my time on my desk. That's why it's literally right in front of my desk, so that I can look at it all the time. It's very, very, very important for you to be able to look at your vision board all the time, and it should be effortless. ठीक है, तुम्हारा vision board किसी ऐसी जगह पे नहीं होना चाहिए जहाँ पे तुम्हें उसको देखने के लिए effort लगे. It could be the wallpaper of your laptop, wallpaper of your phone, कि तुम जब भी उसको खोलो, phone को खोलो, you see your vision board. So that's very, very important. काफी लोग अपना vision board बना के कहीं भी फेंक देते हैं ताकि वो किसी random दिन उसे उठाए, उसे देखे, they're like, oh my god, these are my goals. No, it could be in front of your bed, it could be in front of your desk, so that you are reminded
Now I'm just looking at images on Pinterest to add on my vision board, and मैंने Canva में डाल रखा है उनको भी. I was editing and arranging. उसके बाद मैंने सारे के सारे images print करा लिए, and I got this A3 size white sheet जिस पे I can paste them. And then first of all मैंने उनको arrange किया in different categories, and then I just started arranging them on my vision board. And while arranging I realized कि मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही images print कर लिए हैं, so it was very difficult to fit all of them, but somehow I managed.
So I am done with my vision board. I could not even fit all the pictures on it, but जितना मुझसे हो सकता था, I did fit them. See, as you can see, the biggest picture has to be this board mark sheet, which is literally my ideal marks. And also this YouTube का flag. As you can see, इसमें literally मेरे channel का नाम लिखा हुआ है. I did that with the help of AI, but yeah. Other than that, yeah, it's just basically my goals. This is the birthday dress that I want, and this is the award that I would want to win again this year. There is a passport because I would like to go on another international trip and everything. Your vision board won't magically change your life, but it will change your direction, and direction changes everything. You can literally see what you want your ideal life to look like, and you will also see the goals that you want to achieve. And sometimes you can literally edit your goals with AI as if you have already achieved them. And honestly guys, you should make a digital vision board as well to put as your wallpaper, so that you can look at it as much as possible. Like when I look at this, it makes me so happy to know that I am going to get every single one of these things some point in this year, or maybe next year, or maybe the year after that. But that doesn't matter because I am going to get it. Okay, like there is no other option for me, because this is what I want my ideal life to look like, and I am someone who is not going to compromise on it. Honestly, one thing which I did last year was put words on my vision board. I don't think you should put words on your vision board. Instead, you should put images that represent those words. Like तुम लोग बीच पे लिख दोगे discipline, consistency. I don't think that works as well as actually putting the images of the desired things on your vision board. As you can see, there are a lot of materialistic things on this vision board, but I do not care, because those are the things that I want, and the things that I can get myself if I work hard enough for them. And yeah, सबके लिए success looks different, and you need to define what it looks for you. You need to define your own goals. And see, once you have your vision board, am I holding it? Yeah, I'm holding it upside down. Once you have your vision board, you really need to develop the systems to work for them. Like if you have the goals that you want, you need to write down in a notebook what habits you'll need to put in your daily life to actually achieve those goals. And obviously you have a lot of goals. Like all my images couldn't even fit on my vision board, so I just had to prioritize the images that I wanted to fit there. Some are literally peeking out of the paper, but the thing is, if you like write down the habits that you need to do to achieve your goals, and you try to do all of them at once, they will not work. So instead, you should try to inculcate a few habits every month or every week. Like for example, I want to start drinking more water. So for 1 month, I will try to drink 8 glasses of water every single day, and that's it. That's the only habit that I am going to put at once, so that I am not overburdening myself. I'm not burning myself out. Because if you try to do everything at once, you won't be able to do anything at all. So that is also something you need to keep in mind. Just break down the bigger picture into small goals. Like I have a picture of my dream college on my vision board, which is IIT Bombay, but I know I'm not getting there next year, because I will literally be in 12th grade, and I'm not going to give JEECA exam in 12th grade. But right now I can start working towards it, so that I can get it like in the next 2 years. So it doesn't have to be कि जो तुम्हारा goal है वो तुम ऐसा ऐसा रखो जो तुम इसी साल achieve करना चाहते हो. It has, वैसे I recommend you don't keep extremely long term goals in your vision board right now, like you want to own a house or something. But because like 5 years later, your vision of a house that you like to own might change. But you should keep the goals that you really want, and you think you can get them in the next year or two. वैसे तुम लोग अपने vision board का timeline खुद decide कर सकते हो. It could be for the next 6 months, it could be for the next year, for the next 2 years. उससे ज़्यादा I don't recommend तुम रखो, because your goals tend to change as you tend to change as a person. So yeah, this one is mostly like academics and like YouTube centered, because I want to really grow on YouTube a lot in this year. And for that, I would really want you guys to subscribe, because if we reach like 100k before like 6 months बाद 6 months से पहले, I will literally be super happy, because that is the goal. And I am sure that you all can make it happen, because तुम लोगों ने 50,000 भी इतनी जल्दी करवा दिए. Like I am super grateful to all of you. And if you watched this video this far, then comment down below कि 2026 will literally be my year, because I will make it my year. I know हम लोग ये हर चीज हर साल बोलते हैं, but you really need to work on yourself, work towards your goals for the following year to be your year. And I am sure you will achieve all of your goals, and we can manifest all of that together. Love you all always. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.